Hey everyone. If your smart TV apps suddenly stopped working or keep crashing, don't worry. This is actually a pretty common issue. In this video, I'll walk you through simple fixes that can get your apps running smoothly again. Let's get started. First, make sure your TV is properly connected to the internet. Yeah, many app problems come from weak or unstable Wi-Fi. Open your TV's network settings and confirm the connection is active. If the signal looks weak, try restarting your router and reconnecting the TV. Next, give your smart TV a full restart. Not just turning it off with the remote. Unplug the TV from power, wait about 1 minute, then plug it back in and turn it on. This clears temporary system glitches that often cause apps to freeze or not open. All right, now check if your apps need updates. Outdated apps can stop working properly. Open your TV's App Store and look for any pending updates. Install all available updates, then reopen the app that was having problems. Okay? This next step helps a lot. Clear the app cache. Over time, cached data can become corrupted and cause crashes. Go to Settings, then Apps, select the problematic app, and choose Clear Cache. If you see clear data, you can try that too and just know it may sign you out. If apps are still not working, your TV's system software might be outdated. Head into System or Software Update in Settings and check for updates. Install any update you find, then restart the TV once it finishes. And finally, if one specific app keeps failing, uninstall and reinstall it. Yeah, this often fixes stubborn bugs. Remove the app, restart your TV, then install it again from the App Store. And that's it. One of these fixes should get your smart TV apps working normally again. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video. And yeah, subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone.